In this lecture, we are going to study the next type of single electrode or half cell, and that is oxidation reduction electrode. This oxidation reduction electrode consists the inert metal like platinum, So we see here, this is the platinum plate or platinum wire. And this inert metal platinum deep into the solution, in which the ions present in two different oxidation states. For example, the solution which consists Ap plus 2 and Ap plus 3. Then the potential is developed on this platinum wire. And the function of the platinum plate or platinum wire is to accept the electron, means to serve the electron or transfer the electron to the other electrodes. If we dip the platinum electrode into a solution which consists the ions present in two different oxidation states like Ap plus 2 and Ap plus 3, then this electrode is known as ferric ferrous electrode. So example of oxidation reduction electrode, ferric ferrous electrode. So ferric ferrous electrode means the electrode in which the inert metal like platinum is dipped into the solution containing two ions present in two different oxidation states, that is ferric and ferrous. So this is the diagrammatical representation. So we can represent the electrode. So first point is representation. So platinum, that is the solid phase, deep into the solution, containing the ions present in two different oxidation states, that is Ap plus 2, Ap plus 3. So we can write here activity of Ap plus 2, activity of Ap plus 3. So this electrode consists the inert metal like platinum deep into the solution containing the ion present in two different oxidation states. So Ap plus 3 means ferric ion and Ap plus 2 means ferrous. Okay. Now we see here, we can write the half cell reaction. So this is the representation of positive electrode. Why? The first liquid phase can be written as and then solid phase. So this is the representation of positive electrode. So positive electrode means whereas reduction reaction takes place. So reduction reaction, Ap plus 3 plus E minus gives rise to Ap plus 2. So from this half cell reaction, we can write the reaction quotient QA, reaction quotient. So activity of the product Ap plus 2 divided by activity of the reactant. So from this reaction quotient, we can write the EMF equation, expression for EMF equation. So reduction potential of ferric ferrous electrode is equal to standard reduction potential of ferric ferrous electrode minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log of QA. So here QA activity of Ap plus 2 divided by activity of Ap plus 2. So activity of Ap plus 2 divided by activity of Ap plus 3 to the base 10. Next, we can write number of electrons, this factor 2.303 RTNF at 25 degrees Celsius. So at 25 degrees Celsius, at 25 degrees Celsius, the factor 2.303 RT divided by divided by F is equal to 0.0591, and N is equal to, how many electrons are involved in this reaction? One electron. So N is equal to 1. Now we can write the equation: reduction potential of Fe plus ferrous electrode is equal to standard reduction potential of ferrous electrode minus 2 RT divided by, that is equal to 0.0591. Number of electrons 1, log of activity of Fe plus 2 divided by Fe plus 3 to the base 10. So in this equation, this value is constant, this value is constant. So reduction potential of ferrous electrode depends on the activity of ferrous ion, activity of both the ions present in two different oxidation states. So this is about the ferrous electrode. Now we are going to discuss next example, that is Stanley-Stannous electrode. Stanley-Stannous electrode. Stanley-Stannous electrode. So platinum is in contact with Stanley-Stannous, that is the solution containing SN4 plus and SN2 plus, SN4 plus and SN2 plus. So activity of SN4 plus SN plus 4 and activity of SN plus 2. So here we can write plus 4 and plus 2. Okay. Means this Stanley-Stannous electrode means the inert metal like platinum is deep into the solution containing the ions present in two different oxidation states. So which are these? Sn plus 4 and second ion Sn2 plus. So these are the two ions present in two different oxidation states. Okay. So this is the representation of Stanley-Stannous electrode. So from then we can write half cell reaction. Sn plus 4 plus 2A minus gives rise to Sn plus 2. So from this half cell reaction we can write the reaction quotient QA is equal to activity of the product Sn plus 2 divided by Sn plus 4. So this is the reaction quotient. So from this half cell reaction we can write EMF equation. So reduction potential of Sn plus 4 Sn plus 2 is equal to standard reduction potential Sn plus 4 Sn2 plus, means Stanley-Stannous electrode minus 2.303 RT divided by Nm log of QA activity of this product plus 2 activity of Sn plus 4. So we can write reaction quotient. So activity of Sn plus 2, activity of Sn plus 2. Again at 25 degrees Celsius 2.303 RT divided by F is equal to 0.0591. N number of electrons involved. How many number of electrons involved? 2. So active N is equal to 2. So reduction potential of Stanley-Stannous Sn plus 4 Sn plus 2 is equal to standard reduction potential of Stanley-Stannous electrode Sn plus 4 Sn plus 2 minus 0.0591. N is equal to 2 log of activity of the reaction quotient, activity of Sn plus 2 divided by activity of Sn plus 1, activity of Sn plus 2 divided by activity of Sn plus 2. So this is the final equation. So by using this equation, we can determine reduction potential of standing stannous electrode. म्हणजे हा जो ऑक्सिडेशन रिडक्शन इलेक्ट्रोड जो आहे याच्यामध्ये सिंपल आहे की एक प्लॅटिनम वायर घ्यायची इनर्ट मेटल आणि ते अशा सोल्युशनमध्ये डीप करायचं की त्या सोल्युशनमध्ये दोन डिफरंट आयन्स आहेत, म्हणजे सेम आयन आहेत, परंतु ते सेम आयन दोन वेगवेगळ्या ऑक्सिडेशन स्टेटमध्ये प्रेझेंट आहे आणि मग त्या प्लॅटिनम वायरवरती पोटेन्शियल प्लॅटिनमची वायर आहे इनर्ट मेटल त्याच्यावरती पोटेन्शियल डेव्हलप होतं. मग अशा हाफसेलला काय म्हटलं तर ऑक्सिडेशन रिडक्शन होते. मग असे दोन एक्झाम्पल आहेत, एक फेरस इलेक्ट्रोड आणि स्टॅनिक स्टॅनस इलेक्ट्रोड. मग फेरस इलेक्ट्रोड आपण यापूर्वी स्टॅनिक स्टॅनस इलेक्ट्रोड याच्यामध्ये दोन इलेक्ट्रोड लागतात. पहिले याच्यामध्ये एक इलेक्ट्रोड लागतो. अशा पद्धतीनं हाफसेल रिॲक्शन घ्या, रिॲक्शन कोशंट घ्या, रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियल. ओके. And the last type of single electrode or half cell is gas electrode, and this gas electrode can be explained with the help of hydrogen gas electrode. Okay, I will continue in next lecture.